Rhino Rental Housing Honest Review Watch before using. Most people get rental deposits wrong. They think they are expensive or complicated to manage. The surprising truth about Rhino is how it replaces traditional security deposits with a low-cost insurance model, and you won't believe how much it can save renters and streamline the rental process. Here's how it works. Rhino allows renters to pay a small monthly fee instead of the full deposit, which protects landlords in case of damage. Landlords still get the same security, while renters keep more cash upfront. For example, a renter moving into a $2,000/month apartment can pay $30 to $50 per month instead of a $2,000 deposit. Most people get this wrong. They assume deposits are mandatory, but Rhino provides the same coverage in a more affordable, flexible way. Additional features include easy online sign-up, integration with landlords and property management platforms, and fast claims processing if damage occurs. Users praise the simplicity, cost savings, and convenience. However, there are considerations. Some landlords may not accept Rhino in all locations, and renters still need to follow lease terms carefully. Most people assume it's free. There is a monthly insurance cost, but it's far less than traditional deposits. In conclusion, Rhino is ideal for renters who want to save money upfront and landlords who want protected deposits without the hassle of holding cash. It's a win-win for modern renting. Subscribe for more honest reviews of rental and housing solutions.